Radio wireless Bluetooth programmer for only $23. Affiliate link below. You will receive a user guide, user manual. It is 17 pages long, and although it is written in very poor Chinglish, it is very clear. It even has pictures with arrows that make it very easy to understand what steps you must take in order to use the programmer. It is a very simple device, but they have spelled it out very easily so that even people that always like to say, "I'm not good with technology," which usually means I'm too lazy to read a manual, even they can figure it out. You have no excuses because, as you can see, it is a very well put together manual with pictures and arrows. You will receive a charging cable, which you affix one end to the Bluetooth dongle and the other end to a USB power source, and it will charge your wireless Bluetooth dongle. And you will receive the Tidradio wireless Bluetooth thingy for programming your radios without wires.